Hi, I'm Amanda, a project manager at Promega. I'd like to talk to you about our personalized process for custom manufactured product. We start when we receive your custom inquiry. This can be as simple as calling your salesperson, talking to us at a trade show, or sending us an email. A Promega representative will contact you to learn more and serve as a guide for your needs. Next, we assemble a team of experts specific to your custom product to better understand your requirements. Once we have established the product specifications, your guide will provide you with a personalized quote and delivery timeline. After we receive your purchase order, we start manufacturing your product in our state-of-the-art facilities. We'll dispense, label, and package your product according to your specifications. With over 40 years of experience, we guarantee a safe and on-time delivery of your custom product. Your guide and your team of experts remain available after your order is delivered. To get started, contact us today and let's talk custom.